Let's see, you got the RBF.
Huh?
You got the RBF on today?
It's sunny out.
You know what RBF means?
I think I'm retarded.
Maybe.
Do you know what LOL means? You know what that means?
What's it mean?
Yeah.
Takeout, man. Nothing's closed.
Oh.
I think it's
Most
exercise.
stuff.
No.
Is this recording?
Let's go see.
Yeah.
Let's go walk.
I said, where the fuck's Urban? I want my pint of beer.
And she couldn't. Ew.
Oh, that really is a puppy. That's a really cute dog.
Thanks, you can pet him, I'm sure. Is it a doodle?
We had this one. Oh.
It was alive.
That was funny.
Take this on camera.
She's a dog lover.
It's a gold doodle. He's a Labrador. Oh.
Oh.
Mulligan.
Well, we're into the tree.
We're gonna
Close, I bet your hardball's open.
Unless you happy.
Yeah. See, imagine being like, Nova. You know I'm right. Yeah.
You had class at 9 today, didn't you?
That's a beautiful sight right here. Oh, Bill, we should get some pictures right here.
That's too light.
No, right? Oh, dude, this would be beautiful down there.
Yeah, fuck the homeless people. Build an obsolete library.
It was just a little tiny puppy.
That's right.
I want one.
Bill, get on that, man.
We were looking at engagement rings yesterday, an apartment. Dude, the one that I want's only like 4,000.
Only, hey, it's only 4,000,
That's
Bill.
not
Come
that
on, get on
bad.
that. Get on that.
She'll
Hey,
kill me.
step on her shoes again.
I know, come on.
This one's valid. Please,
Hot. Oh my god. Oh, there's a good lighting right there.
Heather's already at the hotel.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Just fucking need to like,
Lexi, I have not done anything.
I don't even know what's going on.
What's?
Well, what are you guys doing?
I'm downloading this for Billy. Because he wants to play poker. Ah.
What's up?
Funny guy.
Can
What's
you
going
edit your
on?
laugh out?
Fuck you.
Why?
You know why.
Oh shit, they're going to the bedroom.
You guys driving or me?
We're having a guys' afternoon in.
That's right.
A gay.
Do I look like a bear?
Fire alarm just went off, and Heather went over to the fridge trying to get a snack before we went out.
No, it wasn't a snack.
I said, what the are you doing? She said, I'm hungry. Lexi, what'd you feel
All I
inside?
grabbed was one.
And I, like, Heather was like being weird, and she was just like laying in bed, and Billy and I were like leaving, literally like leaving. She's laying in the bed. She goes, "What's that?" And I was like, "It's the fire alarm." And I was like, "Heather, get up!" So finally she gets up and she goes, "I'm going to the front desk." And I was like, "What are you gonna do there?"
What'd you do?
I ate all your Starburst.
That's rude.
That's crazy. She,
She missed me.
now, where's the trash can?
Under the sink.
And who the fuck's in front of the sink right now?
You?